Picture this. You're sitting at home, checking your phone, and suddenly you see a message from an unknown number. It knows your name, your address, your family, every click you've made, every post you've shared. It's all there. Welcome to the terrifying world of cyberstalking. But what if I told you, you can fight back? Today, we're lifting the curtain on digital forensics, how real experts unmask cyberstalkers and online predators, step by step. Get ready to learn how the invisible becomes visible. Before we dive in, you need to know what we're up against. Cyberstalkers don't need to break into your house. They break into your life online. They hide behind fake profiles, VPNs, and burner accounts. Online predators use similar tactics, but often target the vulnerable kids, teens, or unsuspecting adults. Knowing the threat is the first step to defeating it. Digital forensics starts with evidence. Save everything. Screenshots, emails, chat logs, metadata hidden in files. Every detail matters. Many victims delete messages out of fear, but remember, deleted evidence is justice delayed. Use built-in tools to capture metadata. Right-click images for properties, check timestamps. If they're sending you threatening messages, note the time, date, platform, and any suspicious links. Next, we follow the trail. Many stalkers rely on fake accounts, but every click leaves a trace. With the right legal channels, investigators can trace an IP address back to its source. While you can't knock on your stalker's door, you can use email headers or social media logs to reveal their digital footprints. For example, in Gmail, open the email, click the three-dot, show original, boom, you've got the header. Tools like IP trackers can help, but always remember, privacy laws matter. If you're unsure, work with professionals. Open source intelligence, OSINT, is the art of digging up information hiding in plain sight. Tools like Maltego, Spiderfoot, and social media search engines connect dots you didn't know existed. A stalker's fake profile might use the same photo from an old account, or a username reused on multiple sites. A quick reverse image search can crack the mask wide open. OSINT can be your biggest ally, but use it responsibly. So you've gathered clues, traced IPs, connected dots. Now what? Preserve everything. Make backups. Store files on external drives. Use cloud backups with two-factor authentication. When you go to law enforcement, the clearer your evidence, the faster they can act. Many cases fail because victims can't prove the timeline. Don't let your case be one of them. The predator who slipped. Let's look at a real case. In 2021, a 17-year-old girl was stalked by an anonymous online predator. He used fake profiles and burner phones, but slipped up when he reused an old username. Investigators ran an OSINT check, found his real account, and traced it to a gaming forum. From there, his IP led straight to his apartment. Today, he's behind bars. One clue, one slip, that's all it takes. The digital world is a jungle, but you're not defenseless. Stay vigilant, stay informed, and remember, if you or someone you know is being stalked, don't stay silent. Save your evidence and get help. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit that subscribe button. We make videos to keep you safe online every single week. Share this with someone who needs to hear it. Together, we can outsmart the shadows.